right, so we are still here in TCT Asia, and this is another very interesting booth. I gotta admit that I purchased a shoe yesterday in this booth, and what they have here is a lot of final products being sold in this flexible filament, not filament, I think it's a resin, but it's very cool. And I have here with me Dien, and he's a sales manager of Poly House, and he's going to explain to us a little bit better how this works. All right, so explain to us, do you guys sell the printer, you guys sell the product? What is the business model here?
We sell the printers and products. We also do 3D printing services, so we basically do everything.
Ah, okay, so you sell the printers, the service, and also the final products?
Yes.
That's awesome. And what's the idea here? Because yesterday I bought a shoe that you guys have. So you have a lot of different shoes, and you design the shoes yourselves?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Kind of like, we also have designers. Our designer, we also support some international designers. They're trying to start their own business. We also have a business with multi-international footwear corporation. Yes.
Can you say about some of your clients?
We have Kohan. Over there, we also did. There's some sample for Skechers, and I think maybe we don't want to disclose too many.
I figured you wouldn't.
Want to win an HD for free? STLFLIX is giving one away to participants of the anniversary live stream on YouTube on May 14th at 8 p.m. Click the link.
Okay, so that's the shoe part. Tell us about the service part then. How do you go if you design something and you would like to print it in this flexible material? How would you access your service?
You can just send us an email. We will reply. Basically, we will ask you for a model, maybe an STL file. Then we will assess the model and see if it's good for printing, and we will give you feedback. If it's okay for printing, we'll give you a quotation, and we can start sampling when we receive the order and the payment, and we'll ship that to you.
So do you guys adjust the model as well if it has a few issues, or the designer has to adjust it himself?
Oh, we can do the adjustment for you, but it will come as a development prices. You can also we'll give you feedback. You can also do it on your own.
That's awesome. And do you have a rough estimate of how much it costs for, let's say, a product that with 100 grams?
100 grams. We also.
A shoe? No, the shoe yesterday that I bought was not that cheap. It was 1,000 RMB, which is $125, I think. No, is it? Yeah, roughly.
Usually we'll evaluate the model, and based on difficulties and the stuff, we'll give you a price. We will run a program through the file you provided and give you a quotation. And we are more to the B2B side, so we don't want to disclose too much about the actual prices for the sampling and stuff. Okay.
And how much, how many units do I need in order to ask you to print one of these?
If you can modeling, on your own, the MOQ can be 0. But if you you need us to develop that for you.
No, if I have the model, do you know how many units I need, roughly?
You mean the minimum quantity?
Yeah, minimum quantity. Zero. One is fine.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's interesting. And also the last part about the polypolymer 3D printer. Do you guys sell these printers? How much do you guys sell it for?
We can't disclose that on the exhibition. Outside, you can, if you are interested in a printer price. How do we actually collaborate? And you are welcome to visit us at our facility, our company. We will talk further into it.
That's awesome. So you guys, maybe you cannot see here, but it's super precise. The thickness of the material is really good, so it's really soft. Well, not that soft, it's a little bit sturdy, but I think it's mostly because of the inner structure that they create, and they're really good at designing the models as well, because the models are really well designed. And you don't see any layer lines. This is incredible when we're talking about 3D printing. So how long does it take to print one of these?
Less than an hour.
Less than an hour?
Yeah.
Less than an hour. And the shoe?
Shoe will be maybe 4 to 6 hours.
4 to 6 hours, because it prints upstanding, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. And in here you have the demonstration with the robotic arm working. So is that a standard? How does it work? Do you guys sell the whole thing with the arm as well, or this is just a demonstration?
It's available to clients, like if you got like a more factory, like if you don't have like you just had one printer or like two machines, we recommend you do manually. If you like have a factory like in the back image, we will like maybe you can equip like.
You can have the robot and the whole factory to be autonomous.
Yes.
That's awesome. So thank you very much for talking to us. We're here at TCT Asia showing you all the good stuff. If you're curious about 3D printing, please subscribe and also share this video because it's an interesting content. I honestly have never seen it before. And I'll see you the next time.